Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited because I got my I have it on the wrong side. I have my Sephora spring sale box. I placed an order at Sephora for the sale, and I'm gonna be opening, sharing with you guys what I got. I got this yesterday and I didn't want to open it until I was able to share with you guys because I actually placed a second order and it was supposed to get here, I think it was yesterday also, but I don't know what happened. I never got the second order. I spent the whole day today waiting and waiting and waiting and nothing happened. So I will actually tell you guys what I got. And I will put like a picture somewhere in the video so you guys can see what it is. I went a little crazy. I spent way too much money, more than what I was supposed to, and I bought these things as a present to myself because my birthday is next month. So I wanted to splurge. I'm so excited because I know what I bought obviously, but I don't, I want to see these things in person. And yeah, yes. Then I have here the Summer Friday Jet Lag mask. I have always been wanting to buy this mask, but I never gone along and actually get it because I'm not a fan of skincare. I don't have a skincare routine, which is very bad. I know, very bad. But I'm gonna be turning 27 next month. 27. I'm gonna be 27, so I decided that this year I'm gonna start taking care of myself and spending more money on products, on skincare that can make my skin better. And I need to invest on myself when it comes to skincare, not makeup, but skincare. Take it out of the box. This is how it looks. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this everywhere. The majority of YouTubers love this mask. So I have here the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. This is something else that I've been wanting to. I have heard a lot of good things because, no, wait. I got scared. It's the package. I thought that it was broken or something. So I have heard a lot of good things of this what is it? Loose powder. I follow a lot of YouTubers, a lot of beauty gurus. So the majority of the time when they recommend something, I normally listen to them and go and buy it. So this powder, the one that I bought is pound cake. So yeah, this is how it looks. I love Huda Beauty stuff. I have a lot of her products, eyeshadow palettes, but I heard that her translucent powder, loose powder, is amazing. So I had to buy it. Now that I got 20%, 20% is 20%. Then I have here Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Double Take. So Fenty Beauty lip gloss are one of the best lip gloss out there. I love her lip gloss. I used to have this one right here. What's the name of this one? Fenty Glow. I used to own the Fenty Glow before, and I hate I don't have it anymore because I love it that much. And then I saw that they had this sale. Then I decided to buy both of them. And the other one is the Fenty Sweet. I can't really see the name. Sweet Mouth. Then this is another YouTuber recommendation. I have the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Bronzer Creamer. This is something else I've been wanting, and I bought it because everybody not everybody, but the majority of YouTubers love it. And I want a cream. I wanted a cream contour. Let me open this. I hope that the color that I bought is the correct color for me. I bought the color light, and this is the packaging. This is how it looks. Let me see. Oh, I love how everything is. Yeah, I think this will work for me. just love Huda Beauty's packaging. It's so like nice and like delicate. Oh shit, oh shit. Looks beautiful. So this is how it looks. I think I have it that way. This is how it is. It's a cream contour. Contour and bronzer. Then I have here the Artist Couture Sleek Cream Lipstick in the name Saucy Gal, Saucy Gal, like Saucy Girl, Gal. You guys, you know what I'm trying to say. So I wanted to purchase his palette, but I'm not a nude type of girl. Like, I love bright colors, and it was either between that palette and the one that I got. So I was like, I made a decision that let me just buy something that I really gonna use instead of just buying something because it looked nice. I normally don't like colors that I mean I love colorful colors. I don't gravitate to the nude colors. Like, I love the brighter the better. So I decided just to purchase one of his lipsticks to try it and see if I like it. And the one that I bought is this like I say, Saucy Gal. Let me see, I'm gonna swatch this lipstick actually, so you guys can see. That lipstick looks nice. Actually, when I probably tomorrow or one of these days, I'm gonna do a makeup look using all the stuff that I got. But like, I love the color. I picked a very nice color for me. Here I have Anastasia Beverly Hills Fanatic. Well, I love all her eyeshadow. I basically collect them. I don't have all of them, but like, I have the majority of them. And besides, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills plus combined with Enrici. Like, I feel that all the products that they have collaborated on with, like, all the collaboration has been amazing. One of my favorite highlights is the Anastasia and Enrici highlight. That's the best highlight out there. And I was gonna get either the Artist Couture palette or this palette. So I went with this because I asked a lot of people on Instagram and they all agree with me that I should get the one that I was actually gonna use with, the bright color. So let's open this baby. Oh my God, look at this packaging. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing how beautiful and girly this is? Don't look at my nails because they are gross. Are you guys seeing this? This is like an amazing, beautiful palette. I can't wait to play with it. Let me just open this so you guys can have. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God. I don't even know how I like question getting this. Like, what? Look at this. You guys, this palette is gorgeous. These are the colors that oh my God. I can't wait to play with this. I really can't wait. I really can't wait. The packaging is so beautiful. I'm pretty sure the quality of the eyeshadow is gonna be bomb. It's gonna be amazing because Enrici and Anastasia never disappoint. Well, in my book, they never disappoint. Oh my God, but this is, I'm like, oh my God, this palette is so beautiful. Actually, my last item that I got, and it was like I would say this is something that I didn't even know they had until that day that I was making the purchase, and it was the release day, and I was like, oh my God, I need you, I want you, especially that it's from Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty is one of like besides Anastasia, Fenty Beauty, anything Fenty Beauty I want and I want to get and I loved. Freestyle cream blush, sorry. And the one that I got, the color that I got is Crush on Cupid. Crush on Cupid. It looks so small. The packaging looks so tiny. But let's see. Oh my God, look at this. How cute. So this is, I'm gonna do a swatch. This is the, my God, it's so tiny and but beautiful at the same time. Oh, it feels like a lipstick. Look at that, you guys. That's the blush. Maybe I should put a little bit, maybe. Let me see. Wow, I have like a lot of blush right now on. I'm not like, I don't own no like creamy blushes. So this will be a first of mine. But like when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I need to buy this because, you know, Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. I think, can you notice a difference? Did that really do something for me? Like, I'm so cute. 3 items that I bought, and it's like skincare. But these products are very, very expensive, you people. Very, very expensive. So I was like I wasn't sure whether to buy or not because I find that these things are very well. What I paid wasn't that much, but like me normally, if I wouldn't have the coupon, I don't think I would go and buy it because if these products are as good as people say, then I'm hooked to paying these prices for these items. But the thing is, I was like, it's your birthday coming up. It's a present to yourself. Go ahead, buy it. And a lot of people told me, and a lot of people love this product. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. Está caro, but I'm going to do it. I don't have them here because I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened, but Sephora sent this package through the post office. And I don't know where it is right now. I really don't know what it is. And I like spent the whole day waiting and waiting. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to wait no more. So I'm going to tell you what it is. And then I will put like a picture somewhere in the video so you guys can see it. Because I'm probably going to say the name wrong. The first item that I wanted for a while that every time I will try to buy something for Sephora, add it to the basket. And when I see how much it was, the total of it, I'll be like, never mind. Is the Drunk Elephant. I'm going to be looking to the side because I have the computer here. Is the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Wipe Moisturizer with ceramides. I don't know how to say it. So I will put a picture right here. Second thing that I bought is the Drunk Elephant Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I will put a picture here. Then the last thing is not from Drunk Elephant, but I don't use, like I told you guys, I don't have no I don't have no skincare routine at all. I don't even use sunscreen or nothing. So I bought this super good glow screen sunscreen SPF 40. So it has a lot of good reviews, and I was looking for a sunscreen, and I didn't want to buy no other Drunk Elephant product because, very caro. So I bought that one, and those are the 3 things that I'm waiting for on the mail. You guys, so these are all the products that I bought at the Sephora Spring Sale. I spent a little too much, but makeup is what I love. So when it comes to makeup, I spend way too much money. Don't tell nobody. Bye. Yeah, for real. Bye.